So when you see Crossfire Hurricane rum and you think of rum cocktails, first cocktail you may be thinking of is the Hurricane cocktail, created in the 1940s in New Orleans. So this is the Crossfire Hurricane version of the Hurricane cocktail. So you get it's going to be one of those shaken drinks. So you get your shaker, and then to that you're going to add a little bit of lime juice, about 10 mils of lime, and then you're going to add orange juice, about 25, 35, 50 mils of you just do as much as you need to get that flavor inside there, but I always go about 25, 35 mils of orange juice, and then of course a bit of passion fruit, equal amounts of passion fruit as the orange, so 25, 35 mils of passion fruit, and that gives the passion in the drink. And then to add a little bit more sweetness, we're going to add about 15 mils of grenadine or strawberry syrup. But if you've got grenadine, because you will get a pomegranate flavor inside there, that obviously helps the drink with flavor. And then of course the rum, a good measure of Crossfire Hurricane Gold, about 50 mils, 2 ounces, or as much as you need to make sure that the drink pops. And then to add some ice, and I'm going to add some ice to my glass as well. And then give it a good shake. Tap that. And then strain into the glass. It's a nice, beautiful, fiery red color. Garnish wise, I'm going to use a little bit of fresh pineapple. And my favorite garnish, the leaf of a pineapple. And there you have it, your Hurricane, Crossfire Hurricane style.